the beauty of applied research is that we can answer concrete questions when there are so many things that are out of our control. We can at least provide some answers. I'm Amanda McVay, and I am a PhD student in the Department of Plant Pathology at the University of Florida. My research focuses on fungal diseases of watermelon, specifically anthracnose and powdery mildew. And Florida is the largest producer of watermelon in the US. We produce over 1 billion pounds annually. So I got an email from some researchers at Cornell where they were broadcasting something called the McClintock Initiative, where in honor of Barbara McClintock's birthday, scientists would work to publish about their science in newspapers across the US. Barbara McClintock was a Nobel Prize winning scientist. She discovered jumping genes when she was studying the genomes of corn. And so she was a graduate of Cornell, and that's sort of why the initiative comes out of Cornell. But in honor of her tremendous work in science that wasn't truly appreciated till near the end of her lifetime, we wanted to share our science and sort of increase public awareness around the meaningful work that researchers are doing. And so I decided to join in, and I wrote a piece about my research and the importance of studying plant diseases as a way to increase food security, and I submitted it to the Tampa Bay Times. So I attended my first scientific conference back in August, and while I was there, I just couldn't help but think there are so many students that probably don't know that they could be exactly where I am right now if they study agriculture, because graduate research and research assistantships are funded based on grants. And I thought, if I publish a piece in the USA Today right around the back to school time, maybe we can help boost enrollment, boost visibility for kind of this forgotten career path, as society has sort of pushed people off the farm and there's that cultural messaging to get off the farm. I think we've lost sight of a really valuable career path where you can make a meaningful impact doing science that supports farmers. Whether we think about it or not, 3 times a day, we could thank a farmer, because every meal on our plate came from some hardworking farmer somewhere across the world or across the United States that ultimately put in countless hours in the field to make the produce available for us on the grocery store shelves. And I grew up completely removed from agriculture. So this isn't necessarily something I was born around. So I can see the massive disconnect that society can have being separated from agriculture and only experiencing produce in the grocery store. It's easy to sort of lose sight of the connection between the farmer and the food on our plate.